Good morning everyone, it's Tuesday the 8th of October. We have, probably an hour ago, we've just closed the private round for investment and we're just opening the public round. I'm really excited to tell you that 105 people in the last week and a bit got online and invested, I think we're up to $490,000 now. So that's an absolute phenomenal result. We're over 50% of our sort of next target, which is the $900,000 minimum. So thank you to everyone who's come through with the EOI and invested. So we've had a lot of those people. I think it's nearly 29 of those have invested the $10,000 to get the free Roadster, and somewhere around 15 or so have invested at the $5,000 level to get 50% off. So for those who are investing next, just remember those rewards are available and they're quite amazing value. So I just thought I'd get online and tell you a few things. We've had a few questions over the period for those that are looking to invest in the next period. So we've got a few questions I'm going to answer. I guess the first one is, why is Tellurides a good investment? Look, the main reason really is we have quite an amazing product, as you may see through the videos. You know, the booming market in clean technology, clean transport, and then especially in e-bikes for our business, that is just going up like a jet. So that's an amazing thing to look forward to in terms of our sales and going into that market. We have a great team. You know, we've been working together for 3 to 4 years on this and kicking all those goals and making sure we get to that. Those next goals. We've de-risked the project significantly in the last 3.5 years by doing what we've done. Ready to take that into production. So, you know, we're looking to rolling bikes out early next year, and then obviously start generating revenue and going on from there. A couple of other questions around the team and the size of the team. Some people sort of expressed a concern, are we spending lots on the team? Well, we really only have a core team of full-time people. The board have been unpaid for about 2 years, just getting options. And a lot of team are just part-timers who we pull on to do bits and pieces, and then they sort of just work when we need them. So we are actually exceptionally lean team, despite the numbers of faces on the website. But it's great to have a diverse and a great bunch of people you can pull from when you need something. So no need to worry about us spending heaps of money on the team. Also, about why did we go to China for manufacturing? Well, the main reason for that was really, the things we want to do, we can't really do here anyway. It's obviously a cost factor too, so it's quite a bit cheaper to do it where we're doing. And we've chosen a world-class manufacturer. So, you know, the manufacturer we're working with works with global brands like our bike will be, and has a lot of experience with working with, basically ramping up production to cope with demand. So they're the sort of key factors why we've chosen them. They have an amazing, they really treat their workers well. They've just built an amazing new factory. I haven't been there yet, but Rob's just come back and said it's just phenomenal. It's the best factory he's ever seen in China. And not just as a factory, but as a place to work as well. So, so that's a bit on that. Then also people asking about the price of the Roadster. Well, I guess for a lot of the people asking that are just starting to look at e-bikes. You can buy e-bikes for sort of $2,500, $3,000, up to sort of even $6,000. But really the thing with a Roadster is it's not really an apples and apples comparison, because we've built in so many features and so many different things that make it easier to ride than ever before. It's really the package that you get in the Roadster is far beyond what any other e-bike offers. So if you just want an electric bike, you could potentially buy a cheaper one, but then it hasn't got all the things built into it that make it easy to use. So that's really why the Roadster is priced what we call about mid-range. So you can go up to $5,000 or $6,000, but this is less than that. I guess that's that. When it comes to processing your investment, just wanted to remind people that when you go in and put your account details in there and agree to amount of money that Birch will take out of your account when the time comes, the money doesn't actually go out straight away. For those people that are invested in the private round, it'll actually go out at the end of the investment period. And for those that invest from here on in, it won't actually start going out until we hit the $900,000 minimum. And then even then, Birch will send you an email and let you know when that's going to happen. So don't be afraid of putting your bank account details in there and having the money and needing the money in there just yet. So that's about it. That's a few frequently asked questions. We're nearly at the 5-minute mark, so I just want to cut it off there. But again, thank you everyone who's come on board. taken us up to the 490,000. For those that have expressed an interest, it'd be great if you could convert your EOI through to an investment soon, so we can sort of tick off the 900,000, and then we're going to head towards the sort of maximum 2.4 million. So look forward to that, and it's another big day. So thanks again. Cheers.